Take a ride in the 2016 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather trim seats, stability control, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, compass, child safety locks, power brakes, audio, internet radio, Pandora. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.